This is Steve Gould, an associate analyst with Rock Trade. Today is January 17th at 7:40 p.m. Pacific Time, and we are continuing our look at crude oil. But before I get into crude oil, I want you all to know that today is going to be the healthiest analysis that you will hear. My new girlfriend and I just bought a Vitamix, and we've been experimenting with it. And I don't get any free toasters by selling Vitamixes, but if you are at all interested in Vitamixes or thought about a Vitamix, they are phenomenal. Okay, crude oil. Today the markets weren't open, so not a lot happened. Although crude oil did trade, there wasn't a lot of activity. This is a daily chart, and you can see that when we talked about this, that we crossed the 50-day moving average, and we are 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of 5-ish wave up. This could be the turning point if we take a closer look at what's happening on a daily basis. We have a bounce off the 50-day moving average, and it came up. It didn't break this high yet. We have a big candle, let's just call it that. And there has been about a 50% retracement of that candle. So that's always a good reversal point. So it may reverse. If it continues down past this point, the bottom of this candle, which is, 89.88. So if we break 89.88, chances are it's going to continue down. Otherwise, it's sort of in a no man's zone right now, which is not good for me because, full disclosure, I am short crude oil. I went short crude oil right here, thinking it was going to bounce off the 50-hour moving average. Boy, when I started this video, this green bar was not there. I'm thinking, okay, it's going down. It has crossed the 50-hour moving average. It's still red. It's still, it's in the middle of the night. Not a lot's happening, so this may not mean anything. So we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. Bringing up the monthly. This is the weekly. We had a close below this ultimate, for all intents and purposes, a doji with a sell signal here. But the next week reversed that. It has not broken the high of this, which is my stop loss. If it breaks the high of that, I'm going to be out of this trade. But I'm still thinking that crude oil is a short, at least temporarily. Ultimately, I think it's going to go long. Just wanted to let you know. If we look at this one right here, this is the hourly again. We were below the 50-hour moving average, and this is a 15-period EMA, exponential moving average. And typically, prices will ping-pong in this area until it breaks out one way or the other. So we're still too early to tell. Tomorrow or this week it'll be interesting to see how it progresses, and we will keep you posted as things progress.